In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can set up remote play on your Xbox so that you can play your games on your phone. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel. Lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, first things first, you need to go to settings here on your Xbox. So go ahead and select that. And once you're in your settings, you need to go to devices and connections down on the left-hand sidebar. Open this up and then go to the remote features tab, just like so. Just select it and make sure that you have enable remote features turned on. Then of course, go ahead and run that test by selecting test remote play to make sure that your signal is strong enough. A stable internet connection is going to be important for smooth gameplay. From here though, go ahead and back out of this, and what you need to do is scroll up to the very top to go to general and then select power options from this section. And once you're in power options, go ahead and make sure that you have sleep mode on. You don't want to be on shutdown mode, you want to be on sleep mode. This will allow your Xbox to turn off remotely when you do need to go ahead and play it. It's super important that you have this on. But from here, you just need to grab your phone, download the Xbox app if you don't already have it, open it up and sign in to the same account that's on your Xbox. As soon as you're signed in, just tap the remote play icon. It looks like a small little screen with a signal. If it's your first time setting it up, you're going to be guided through connecting it on there. But after your console is linked up, hit remote play and your screen will appear on your phone. For the best experience, obviously make sure that you're using a strong Wi-Fi connection. And of course, you can also connect a controller to your phone with Bluetooth. If you guys did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.